Are you tired of struggling to find the perfect words for your emails? Do you find it difficult to know how to begin a new email or respond to unexpected messages? Do you want to learn how to write professional emails that will impress your boss? If so, then keep watching. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you how to write new or reply emails using ChatGPT AI. AI technology is revolutionizing the way we work, and ChatGPT is one of the leading AI engines at the moment. It is a great tool for individuals and businesses, and its content writing capabilities are truly remarkable. We will show you how to write a new or reply email with ChatGPT using a pre-configured writer. You don't need to register a ChatGPT account or provide complicated inputs. Also, whenever the free ChatGPT interface is down, busy, or no longer available for free, you can use this method to write emails. Microsoft, as a big investor in OpenAI, plans to integrate ChatGPT into their Office 365 products, which will significantly improve productivity for users. However, the availability of this integration for all Microsoft Office users, especially those using older versions, is still uncertain. With that being said, third-party vendors may develop Office, Outlook, and Word add-ons, but our tool to write new or reply emails with ChatGPT AI is a free and reliable solution. Writing a new email with ChatGPT is easy. Visit the Sysprob's website in the description and mention the topic you want to write for MS Outlook app or online Office 365. It is not an Outlook add-in and does not work directly inside the mail composing screen, but it still provides great results. Also, you can use this same method for any emails and email providers like Gmail, Yahoo, and Outlook Live accounts. The more input you provide, such as a summary, the recipient, and the tone of the email, the better the output will be. Remember that the AI servers may take a while to generate the output, depending on their workload. Let's say, for example, we want to write an email requesting for promotion. So, enter request for promotion and press the try button. There you go. Here is the output. If you like the output, you can copy and use it on your email client like Outlook. If you don't like the output, refresh the web page and give some more input. In this example, if I don't like the output, I will add some more information, like this. So, when you give the reason for promotion and the tone, like professional, serious, or even funny, the output will be different. You can try a few attempts till you are satisfied with the output. Now, let's go to replying email part. Scroll down and locate this prompt. To reply to an existing email using ChatGPT AI for Outlook and Office 365, simply copy and paste the email you want to reply. Make sure to include the sender's name. The free tool we have created for Sysprob's users is set to write a reply email in the same tone it was written by default. If you want to change the style, type in the provided module and paste the email. As an example, I'm copying the same second email we wrote earlier. Let's see how the reply email is coming out. Looks not bad. Now, I'm going to write a reply email to the second email it wrote earlier. But I want to change the tone. Like, I want to reply to the email in a funny way to reject the promotion request. So, I enter prompt like this. That is not bad either. As mentioned earlier, if you are not happy with the output, refresh the page and try again with different inputs. If you are happy, copy the reply email content and use it on the Outlook app, Office 365 web, or any email clients like Gmail and Outlook.com. Please keep in mind that the emails produced by AI should not be used without manual editing. AI technology can provide various creative ideas to write new emails or reply to an existing email, but it's best to modify the output to fit your specific scenario. We hope these email writing modules for Outlook/Office 365 will be helpful to you. We would love to hear your feedback on the output, and if you think these AI writers are useful, please share them with your friends and coworkers. Let us know if you want to see more modules related to Outlook email communications. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.